Hi, this is Shari for Style Tip Friday, and I am wearing a trend that is super popular for the fall of 2018, and it is the classic blazer, just like I have on in this brown. Honestly, you guys, I got this a couple of years ago and the tags were still in there, but I thought I had it and thinking that one day they were gonna come back in style, and it was on such a good price, I had purchased it and kind of put it away, and it's back. It's time to hit the thrift stores because I think that's where you're gonna find one. And you wanna look and find one that's in your best neutral. But if you can find a charcoal gray, pick it up because this season, grays look amazing on everyone and they're popular from light to dark. You can wear it with your jeans and booties, or you can dress it up for darker jeans or nice pants with a silky blouse and wear it with heels for night. That's my tip for you this week. Go find a blazer.